Just standing on it with his front legs.
Who, Toby?
Yes, sir.
No, hang on. I'm trying to. I'm hopefully going to catch some lightning. He's standing on it alone?
No, just his ass end on the seat, standing there. But come on, go up here. Up here.
Come on.
Good girl.
Show me some lightning, Lord. Oh, yeah.
Jump. Good girl.
Come on, Lord. Another time. I missed it. Come on.
Good girl. Yeah.
Huh? I think I got that one. Hey, can you open this door more? Ooh, careful. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, okay, Lord, quit playing with me.
Videotape it.
That's what I'm doing. Watch.
Here it comes.
I know. As soon as I
Here it comes. Here it comes. It's gonna do it. It's coming. I feel it.
I had to clean. I know you can feel it in the air. I had to clean the lens. Well, I got that one, but that was the type that's up in the air, never touches the earth. They say those are kind of rare.
There's another one.
Okay, Lord, show me another one.
Feel another one.
Please amaze me.
There it is.
That's that one. That's the. Okay, come on.
That would look great one.
Come on, Lord. Please.
Ooh, I feel it coming, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, that was a good one. Those are all up in the clouds, though. Better not ruin my
You
fun.
want to see the bolts?
Huh?
You want to see the bolt type?
The bolt type.
Like the lightning bolt.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, is lightning bolts for sure. Hey, I got a feeling it's going to be over here next. I told you. See, they're all up in the clouds, though. Weird. Well, praise God, actually. Hard to start a fire when they're up in the clouds. Oh, that was another one. Let's look over here and see what we see. Yeah. That's my garage. No, I don't know. I think it's going to be over here again. Ooh, that looks like a downpour, doesn't it? Okay, come on. Ha 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 ha, I knew it. I could feel it. Okay, Lord. One lightning bolt with no fires, please. It amazed me. Like you always do. There's 2 storms. Huh. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Still didn't touch the ground though. Probably gonna ruin my phone standing out in the rain. Thank God I got insurance. Oh, there's another one. Okay, Lord, one more. Big old one, because I gotta go. That's got another service call. Come on, one more. That's bad. I love the ones that go crack, boom. I got a feeling it's gonna be over here again. Come on, hurry. Please, Lord. Oh, playing games. Man, they're all up in the clouds. I'm in the right area. Sorry, I had to wipe my phone off. Man, I still think it's gonna come over here. It's gonna be another one to watch. Come on, show me. Show me. Please. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, Lord. Let's hear it. Oh. Man, I didn't even hear that. There it is. Starting to pour. And it keeps raining like this. I'm gonna start gathering animals 2 by 2. I don't know if you guys can hear that rain, but man. Had to wipe my phone off again. Sorry, folks. Not so much over there. Oh, yeah, that was a good one. But a whole bunch so much over there. And right above me, see? That's above me. Yeah. I gotta wipe my phone off here. Okay. Alright, Lord. I know I said it 3 times already. But, yeah, thank you. I love you, Lord. Bye.